Ngabo jingkeli ke sorkar kale ayu bante ye kene ke stadium ke bahe bah hate hasnang wa ajer kene ke madan football ke bahe ke ba itnat kilate ndre kene ke jingte ke de be tang ban yo nong ye ke pla la de ndre ban ong bante ye kene ke madan ke bahe ban yo nong ye ki khna ke badon ne ke sap ka phong ke badon ne ke talen ke badon ne ke ta ke mesin ban wan ra ye ke nam ke burom ye ke jela ke jongi te em ndre kine khuna osan borlang olayo ega nam go borom na ki we pat ki state jong ka prthei barok we bat kilayo ega nam go borom na ka state ki ba pher bat olayo ro ka nam go borom na ka jela na kane ka jela jong ka ri india ka jongi re ka jela mekhalaya ka jongi pat kam shem la itho ye o kam shem la yo sneu bat kam shem la yo iro hadu menta kisngi bat umne khuna ola safriang kaleng nya kata ka sap ka phong ka talen ka jong o bat ka jingslor ka jong o ban apkul re wat sa ki we pat ki state kila ithu yune khuna anre ka sarkar mekhalaya pat kam sham la ithu re ka sarkar mekhalaya ka jongi pat ka ithu kumno bangin te kita ki development khnang bangin yo ban te ki khnang bangin yo ban pelut ye kita ka jinglut ka ba te ye kita ka development khnang ban sngai ka pla jongi khnang ban yo nong ye ka pla simet ka jongi khnang ban yo nong ye kine ki high level jong kine ka kabadon ha kane ka sarkar kejela ka jongi re nga suong bakane ka sarkar mekhalaya ka jongi ka kate ya kita ki development ke baper wala da kishna usurok ki sushna ki suserdep tak malumala tang ban yo ya kata ka kam ka business ka jongki ban suyo ya kata ka jingkamai ka ji ka jongki bat henry yupai ba ta tang chisngi yai tang chisngi ban le la jot la pra usurok ro henry kilate ye kane ka stadium ka bahero ka debe tang ban te ban yo nong ye la de ban yo ye kata ka jing phoida ye la de re ka jing mentoi pat yupai ba kamdon kum kata ka jing perkhat jong kane ka sarkar Andre ka jingte ka no ka jingte ka sarkar ka shute ka spemi kita ki development re tang ban yo ka jingman toy na kita ki high level jong kata ka jong kane ka sarkar mekhalaya andre tong ine snap ya ka jingkren jong kine.
Why do you love him so much, Emilio Martinez?
Material. He's saying that I like more about his bravery and his talent of goalkeeping.
Do you practice every day, Sam Borlang? Every single day?
Qua cái xuân mà cũng hẹ
Like I World Cup.
là cái World Cup.
Actually, he's saying that he want to be part of to show his goalkeeping skills in a very big stage, very big competition, and also to the World Cup.
So he needs to practice for that, right? Other international players that you love, Sam Borlang, you want to name any other names apart from Emilio Martinez?
Messi.
That's a good choice.
Messi.
That's a very good choice. And can we ask you, when did you discover Sam Borlang's talent? When did the family discover that, okay, he's young and he's very talented?
Actually, we discovered his skills I think it's within 1 year now. So because before that he was still very young and we cannot make him practice so hard also. And this is the year that we actually 3 months before that we actually when his elder brother he shoot a video of him during their practice session, and then he uploaded into his Instagram profile, and then
Okay, and that's how it went viral. Okay, we know that you've taken out time in the morning to speak to us. Thank you. I know that you have other things to do, so we don't want to keep you too busy. Sam Borlang, we were told you have practice to go to. Please go. Thank you for taking out a few minutes for us here on TVC. Okay, let's move on from this. We hope you felt that shyness, that sweetness. We hope that he has a very successful